Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying why you want blue light glasses and picking the right lens type for that goal. Choose clear-coated for mild filtering, yellow-tinted for stronger attenuation, or clip-on for occasional use. Make sure frames fit comfortably and sit 10-15 mm from your eyes for best effect. Once you have them, inspect coatings for scratches and confirm advertised wavelength range. 380 to 500 nm matters. You'll wear them during screen time, especially in the 2-3 hours before bed, to test effects on sleep and comfort. You now examine how the lenses actually alter incoming light. Some absorb blue photons chemically, while others use multi-layer dielectric coatings to reflect specific bands. This reduces the high-energy peak around 400-450 nm, which lowers photopic stimulation and can lessen perceived glare. Be aware that stronger filters increase contrast but may shift colors, so interfaces look warmer. Once done, compare labeled % reduction with a spectral transmission curve when available. This explains why you feel less strain. Finish by integrating glasses into your routine and assessing outcomes over 1-2 weeks. Note sleep latency, eye comfort, and headache frequency. If you get headaches or no improvement, make sure lenses sit parallel to your eyes and are not scratched. A misaligned frame can add stray reflections. If colors look too yellow or you lose contrast, switch to a milder filter or clear-coated lenses. As a single troubleshooting tip, if benefits are absent, test a stronger filter for evening only. Make sure to reevaluate after 7-10 nights.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.